Penny stocks are small, publicly traded companies that can experience sudden market volatility. Investors are often attracted to them due to their low price and potential for high gains. These stocks can rapidly increase in value, offering significant returns. However, penny stocks also come with high risk and the possibility of loss. Strategies such as diversification and careful selection can help mitigate risk. Welcome to your own channel, Wealth Instructor. In this video, we shall discuss best penny stocks valued under Rs 2 in India. Before we begin our penny stock discussion, the standard disclaimer: penny stocks are highly risky, and this video is not for any buying or selling recommendations. If you really want to invest in penny stocks, only invest a very low amount. And let's discuss 7 penny stocks under Rs 2. The first stock in the list is Sri Ganesh Biotech India Limited. Sri Ganesh Biotech was established in 1982. It is headquartered in Kolkata and focuses on producing, processing and marketing quality hybrid seeds for different crops like cotton, sunflower, corn, grain and paddy. This stock is a market cap of 44.6 crore, current price only 1.12. The one thing that impressed me is the free cash flow. Free cash flow of 3 years is 24.3 crore positive, whereas last year it is 10.2 crore. Sales growth of 3 years 5.62%, but very negative sales growth last year. There is no promoter holding and there is no pledge percent as well. Next stock in the list is Timo Productions. Timo Production was established in 2006. It was formerly known as GI Engineering Solutions. It is specialized in civil engineering activities and ancillary services. One thing that impresses me in this company is debt. There is no debt, which is a very good sign. Free cash flow negative 55 crore. Free cash flow last year was 48 crore, negative 48 crore. Another one is that last ROE of 3 year is 9% and ROE is 7.9% last year. So this is also very impressive. And if you see, promoter holding is 34.4%, whereas pledge percentage is 50%. So this is negative for this company. Apart from that, sales growth is negative, but 3 years sales growth higher, but sales growth of last year is negative. It's just a 142 crore market cap. So that 142 crore, if it grows well, then it can go up to like 5,000 crore or 10,000 crore. So this type of company you should look where, but only thing is that the investment amount should be very low. Next company in the list, Khubsurat Limited. Now the current price is only 1 rupees, whereas market cap is 47.5 crore. Promoter holding just 0.13%. Free cash flow 3 years is positive and free cash flow last year is 0.32 crore negative. Debt only 3.46 crore of debt. This company is a Kolkata based company that provides loan syndication services to individuals and corporate entities. It also trades in shares and securities. Next company is Sawaka Business Machines. This company was established in 1904 and its headquarters is in Ahmedabad and trades and exports machineries. It is also engaged in the local trading of cotton bales and metal scrap. Let's check some fundamentals. Market cap only 34 crore company, current price is only 60 paise, and if ROE 3.52%, ROE of 3 years is 3.69%, free cash flow negative 18 crore and free cash flow last year is 95 crore. Debt very less 0.68 crore, which is good. Promoter holding 0.82% only and pledge percentage, there is no pledge. Sales growth of 3 years is 34.8%, whereas last year is 935%, huge jump. Next company in the list, Maharashtra Corporation Limited. Market cap of only 50.9 crore. This company established in 1982. It is a textile company that engages in commodity trading. The textile products in its portfolio are handicrafts, gunnies, skins, cotton, pigments, color oils, indigo, rubber and manure. If you check the free cash flow, it's negative 45 crore and last year is 29 crore. Promoter holding 16.6% and sales growth of 3 years is 24.9%. Last year is 30.4, negative 30.4%. And zero debt, which is very good for this company. Next company in the list is GTech Info Trading Limited. This company is incorporated in August 94. It is a Mumbai-based company engaged in information technology enabled services. Its revenue segment includes software training and low-cost repair services for laptop, computers and other gadgets from numerous brands. Now let's check some fundamentals. Current price 1.68 only. Market price 0.59 crore company and free cash flow positive both last year also, last 3 years is positive. ROE of 9.52%, whereas 3-year ROE is negative 6.25%. No promoter holding and no place percentage. And the last company in the list is Triveni Enterprises Limited. Current price of 2.43, market cap only 13.9 crore. Free cash flow is negative, both last year and last 3 years. Debt 0.62 crore only. And if you see the sales growth of negative sales growth last year, also 3 years no sales growth. Promoter holding 3.49%. And this company is engaged in buying, selling, importing, exporting and dealing in all kinds of product and commodities. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, and if you like our channel, then subscribe the channel and share our channel to other friends. Thank you so much.